fly up to 15 meters height. The height capping is there, but if you are flying for any commercial purposes whatsoever it is, that will comes under the pursuit of licensing. That you need a license if that is used for any commercial purpose whatsoever. So you can see this drone. You have the another category of drone. This is the another category which is about 550 grams, and then you have. Then it is an Indian-made drone from Urban Matrix, and this is from Crystal Ball. This is a training drone because it is not having any kind of payloads. So whatever the training is going to happen, it is without payloads only always. And then we have high-end drones. Sorry, इसको थोड़ा थोड़ा सा उधर कर दो इन सबको और इसमें लगा दो ना इसको लगा दिया ठीक है. So this one is the world's best drone, I believe, probably. This is M350, DJI M350. It is having the dual GNSS system on board, dual battery system. This is one of its kind remote control system. Okay, and then we have the payloads related to this. This is a LiDAR system. Okay, this is a LiDAR system plus 20 megapixel onboard camera. So those works with the INS, inertial navigation system, and the GPS system. And you can see out there that we are also establishing a base which is a DGPS. Okay, differential global positioning system. Actual name is GNSS, Global Navigation Satellite System. Okay. Piyush? Yes, sir. Yes. So these are all known as quadcopters majorly or multicopters. Okay. So we have another machine here. This is basically Indian made and the body is from China. But this is called VTOL hybrid. So what is the functionality into this? This will take off as a VTOL, vertical takeoff, and the landing will be vertically. क्या कर रहा है भाई? Okay. So this one, a basic anatomy of this is it has ailerons, it has rudder, elevators in the back, okay, fuselage, and then it has quadcopter kind of thing. And it is a X series system. Okay. Your background is all are civil engineers,
and basically construction engineering management group.